Hi everyone, if you want to learn how to use CapCut correctly from scratch, watch video until then, and let's get started. When you open CapCut, you will see these four windows. Library, where your editing materials are stored. Player, how you can watch the result of your work. Panel, how you can adjust specific materials, animation, and more detail. Timeline, you can call it your workspace. If you want to change the position or size of these windows, just hold the windows and drag it or resize each one as you like. And let's get started. First, we need to import video into CapCut or select stock video directly from the app. Add the video to the timeline. Here we can split the video using a button. And we can also use shortcuts for convenience and to save time. Now, we have a video and we need to add audio. We can add audio directly from CapCut or upload our own. In the third window, you can adjust the volume of the audio track. Text. Add text to the timeline. Change default text. Set the duration. Select your desired font. Change size. And select your desired color. Stickers. You can use your own or choose from the CapCut library, adjusting size and other settings. Effects. You can add and adjust effects on a video. If you want to apply one effect to multiple videos, drag it onto the timeline above the videos, set the duration, and adjust it. Effects can also be used for stickers and tags, adding them above these elements. Transitions. Here you will find many transitions. Just drag them between two videos and set the duration. Captions. To add subtitles, use auto caption to save time. Here you can customize the subtitles, apply different effects, fonts, and animations. I recommend using simple, minimalistic subtitles. Another plus is that CapCut allows you to translate subtitles into any language. Filters. They are applied just like effects, either to one video or to several. If you want to change or delete video, all text, stickers, effects, filters, and everything linked to the video will also be deleted. To avoid this, hold the video and move it one track up. Then, click on the three dots of the main timeline, track height, short, and after that, click on the lock symbol to prevent change to the timeline. Now, all text, effects, and other elements won't be tied to the main video, and you can replace the video. Adjustment. This track is for filters, which you can load from external sources or create and save as your own, and they will stay in CapCut. External features are called LUTs, and they are ready for use. Just import and apply them. You can find a huge number of LUTs on my Telegram channel. Filters that you create and save are called presets. To create a preset, click Adjustment, Custom Adjustments, apply the desired color correction, then click Save as Preset, give it a name, and save it. Now your preset will be added to the library under Preset section. And you won't need to adjust color correction every time, just select and apply preset. If you want to edit video for Instagram or YouTube Shorts, change the aspect ratio in a player window. If your computer is powerful, select Preview Best Quality, and if it's weaker, Best Performance. This doesn't affect the final video, only the editing process and preview. Keyframes. They are used for animation like zoom in and zoom out. Add the text to the timeline. Set a keyframe at the beginning. Move the text over time, and you will have a simple animation. Now, let's make zoom in and zoom out animation. To do this, set a keyframe at the beginning. Then enlarge the text in a player window or in a right window. And you will have zoom in and zoom out animation. To make moving animation, set a keyframe for transform at the beginning. Move the text and change its size or angle. Set a second keyframe and you will have animation with change size, position, and rotation. Pre-made animations. Click on the text or video, select animation, and set animations for beginning, end, or middle. You can also adjust the animation duration. Tracking. If you wanted to attach text to a moving object, select the object or text, click on the tracking, motion tracking, adjust the frame so that the object is inside. And click Start. How to remove green screen. Add a video with green screen. Go to Remove a Background section. Select the Chroma key and adjust the intensity and shadows to 50%. Green screen video can be found in CapCut library on my Telegram channel. How to remove the background of a character. Go to Remove Background section. Select the Auto Removal, and after a few seconds, the background will be automatically removed. You can add a stroke around character and adjust its settings. Masks are useful for a variety of purposes, such as making text pop out behind a person, or creating bodies like animals, rounding edges, and others. Horizontal mask helps to separate the main person from the background. To do this, add two identical videos to the timeline. Remove the background from the top one. Apply horizontal mask to the bottom one. Increase the feather and adjust it. You can also use this to make text appear behind a person, and for this you need to add text between two videos. Mirror mask can be used to create cinematic borders on both sides. Circle mask. This mask is great for tutorial videos. For example, if you wanted to make your videos circular and place it in the corner of the screen, apply this mask and adjust it. Rectangle mask. This mask used to round the edges of photos to make them look nicer. Apply the mask, adjust the size, and increase the round corners. I don't use other masks, but they work in the same way. Retouch. This tool is for retouching, especially useful for women, and I'm sure the ladies know how to use it beautifully. Blur effect. In the effects section, find the blur effect. Apply it to the video and adjust the blue level on the right. If you want to add blur effect behind a person, duplicate video layer, remove the background from the top one, and adjust the blue to the bottom layer. If you wanted to hide information on a screen, duplicate a video, add blur effect, and use the rectangle mask to hide unneeded parts. If the blur is outside, press the button to invert a mask. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.